Okay, so here, right questions, all the sentences are future. So number 1, you go out tonight. How you make the question? Are you going out tonight? Very good. And then number 2, you work next week. How you are we working next week? Very good. Then number 3, what you do tomorrow evening? Ki hobe? So, what are you doing tomorrow evening? Write it down. Done?
Yes.
Okay, then number 4, what time your friends come? So you have to make the question. What time? So here, your friends, these are the singular or plural? Plural. So your friends এর সাথে কি দিব? Are. What time are your friends coming? So the question is, what time are your friends coming? Done? Then the last one, number 5. When Lisa go on holiday? So Lisa, third person singular, so you have to put is. So when, then question যেহেতু is আগে চলে আসবে, when is Lisa going on holiday? বুঝে বুঝে করব আমরা. Done? So all of you read out 1 to 5. 1 থেকে 5 পর্যন্ত পড়ব. Are you going out tonight? Okay, are you working? Thank you. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.